Can you think about why writing might be important?
Well, you're using your actual muscles to put down what you think on paper.
Yeah.
Instead of just thinking it and forgetting it, you
Right.
actually have to form letters and words to make a sentence, which means you have to think about what you're thinking about.
It's a full body experience, right? It's a full body experience, right? It's mental, it's emotional, it's physical, it's biochemical. There's a whole bunch going on there, and it creates a lot of focus, and it creates like an amplitude. It empowers what you're focusing on. It gives it energizes it. So if I ask you guys, like, let's say this morning, like when you woke up, what did you do? What was your morning getting up? Like you wake up first thing in the morning. How do you wake up in the morning?
First thing I do is I just check all social media platforms. So Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, just to see what's going on, just to see if you posted anything, and just to see if anyone's replying so that I can let you know that you can reply to them.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Without any judgment, that's good. What happens when you do that, right, is that you're bringing yesterday into today, right? Everything that you're doing in the morning like that is basically reminding you of yesterday. So you wake up and you go right into social media. All of a sudden, you're basically connecting right back into the matrix. And now you're kind of reprogramming yourself for the day when you do that. The day's not going to be that much different, is it? If you start that way. Why would it be? Because it's basically what you do every day. You're checking that, and whatever comes up, that's going to now start to dominate what you're thinking about and what you're focusing on. So you see something in social media, now your brain starts focusing on that, and that's going to now, on some level, steer what happens throughout your day. So who's in charge of your day? Who's setting the tone for your day? You or social media? See what I mean? So I'm not saying social media is bad, but social media is a tool that you want to use on your terms. When I wake up in the morning, as soon as you wake up in the morning, remember we talked about this yesterday, your brain waves are still kind of in that theta, right? You're kind of half awake. You're very suggestible. You know how hypnotism works? They basically get you into that theta state. Like we talked about yesterday, where like kids up till 7, they're kind of in that. They're very suggestible. They don't have much of a filter. So your subconscious is taking in all the information without much of a filter. So you're programming yourself.